My name's Tate. I work for King Series Trucks, and what we're going to be doing today is installing a door striker that's got a rubber dampener on it. And so what's good about this is it helps your door seal up better. There's not play in it. It's a lot more solid, more of a thunk when it seals instead of a rattle. And so we already have the old one off. And the trick to getting these on and the old ones off is when you take these two screws out, you gotta take each one of them loose and then pull them all the way out, because if you take one all the way out and then try to pull the other one all the way out, you'll spin the strap in the back there that's got the nuts on it, and then you'll have to use a vice grip and you'll mess up your paint and stuff, and it's going to be a real pain. So that's the trick to getting them out, but then that's also the trick to getting these in, is you got to start each one before you put it all the way in.